So this is a review of the Instax Mini 11. So what you want to do to open it is press this down, and then the light should be lighting up if you put the batteries in. What you want to do for selfie mode? So obviously you can see there's selfie mode right here. You want to push that out or pull it out. Not too hard to where you're gonna break it, but pretty hard, I guess. And then after that, you close it up, and then this is for when you put the carton in, and some yellow thing should be on the carton that you can see through there. My little thing fell out. There's another yellow thing here that will match up with the yellow thing on the carton. So put the carton in right. And the yellow thing with the carton should match up here. And then, so what you want to do, if you want to know how many pictures you have left, right there. And then this is for looking in to take your picture. And this is the flash. This is the shutter button. And then this is the mirror for selfie mode. And this is the button to push this out. So yeah, this was the review of the Instax Mini 11, and bye.
Hi guys, I speak English because I want to everyone understand, and the French message will follow, okay? So, I see a lot of comments, the flash still flashing when you push a button for take a picture, but I have a solution for you, okay? Today I was outside, and outside is winter, it's very cold, so that's why my camera is still flashing. But now I'm inside my house, so the battery don't have a cold temperature. So if your flash is still flashing when you take a picture, it's because the temperature of the battery is too cold or too warm. So, maintenant pour le message en français, pour ceux qui ne comprennent pas l'anglais, dans le fond, j'ai vu beaucoup de commentaires comme quoi que le flash ici, dans le fond, il n'arrêtait pas de flasher quand on appuyait sur le bouton pour prendre une photo. Dans le fond, moi aujourd'hui, je suis allée à l'extérieur, et à l'extérieur, c'est l'hiver, donc il fait froid. J'ai voulu prendre une autre photo à l'intérieur, et le flash continuait de flasher malgré le fait que j'ai voulu prendre une photo. Dans le fond, la solution, c'est juste que faut vérifier la température des batteries. Si les batteries sont trop froides, ça marche pas. Si c'est trop chaud, ça marche pas. Donc, juste que ça soit la température ambiante, et ça va marcher par la suite. Donc, j'espère que ça va vous aider.
This is my Polaroid camera. As you can see right there, I labeled it as my adventure camera, if it'll focus. And I have a little wall of places I've taken it. It's been all the way to Italy. Yellowstone up there. Just a bunch of different places. One thing to note though, it's very sensitive to temperature, so if it's like super cold outside, it may not work. It's also, when taking pictures, it's sensitive to light. So I once went to Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles, and you can see there it kind of got a little hazy, but I ended up getting another one. So it works great. I love it. But that's just something to keep in mind.
After inserting the batteries also, the light is not coming off. The indicator that the camera is now set to be used. See, even if I press this button, there's no blink of a light over here. See, again if I press it, there's no light indicator.
Much is raining.